Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to set server tags for your Rust server. It is actually very easy to edit your Rust server tags with Pine hosting. All you need to do is head over to your Easy Config tab. Once you're here, you'll see a bunch of options, but what you need to be looking for is this section right here. If you click the game mode dropdown right here, you can change from all game modes available in Rust. Let's go for example for Hardcore. Next, you can change of course your wipe schedule if you want a monthly, bi-weekly or weekly server. Let's go for weekly for example. And then you can also change the server region. It is always recommended that you select the region that is closest to your actual server's location. That will also guarantee that the people that join your server have a lower ping. This server is located in the UK, so selecting Europe is the closest option possible. Then of course you can select your server type. Either if you have a roleplay server, creative server, a build server, you can select it all here. Of course you can only select one tag at a time. This is not something that can be added and have multiple tags sadly, but this is something that is from the game unfortunately. So let's go for example for a build server. And as you can see, selecting specific tags also unlocks different things. Like now, for example, that you have selected build server, you will see a bunch of extra options in the gameplay section that will allow you to customize your server even more. And of course, if you want to add the premium tag or the PvE tag on your server, you can just click on these two sliders at the bottom here. Once you have made your changes, all you need to do to save them is click on the save button right here. And lastly, you need to head back over to the console tab here and restart the server to apply those changes. And just like that, our server is now up and running with all the changes on the server tags we have applied. You can also confirm that those changes have been applied on your server by heading over to your server's config. To find that, you'll need to head over to your Files tab here, and then you'll need to head over to Server, Rust, Config, and then finally server config. If you remember, we previously changed our game mode to hardcore, and as you can see right here, our server's game mode is changed to hardcore. We also changed the server wipe to weekly, and as you can see right here, our tags are now weekly, EU, builds, and hardcore, which is all the settings we previously set. So now you have confirmed that those changes have actually been implemented on your server and should be also visible when you go and search your server in the server list. Keep in mind though that it may take some time to update, but normally should be almost immediate. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.